Hello guys, my name is Nursyada. Well, I will start my video to fulfill the final text of an English language course with the theme of traditional Indonesia specialties, namely rendang from Western Sumatra. Indonesia is famous for its diverse culture and cuisine. Nowadays, there are a lot of Indonesian traditional foods that are worldwide. One of them is rendang. Rendang is a traditional food from Minangkabau, West Sumatra. Almost everyone in Indonesia knows what rendang is, given the number of Padang food houses spread throughout the archipelago. Not only in Indonesia, the delicious taste of rendang is now known to foreign countries. Reporting from Detikphone, CNN Travel has released 50 of the most delicious foods in the world, one of which is rendang, a typical Minangkabau culinary from Indonesia, which remained in the birthplace. Rendang, or in the Minang language, is called randang, derived from the word perandang, which means cooking coconut meat to dry slowly. Rendang is a dish that uses ingredients of meat mixed with various kinds of herbs and spices that have a cooking process that is heated repeatedly using coconut milk, so that the cooking process also takes hours, usually taking about 4 hours. If stored at the right room temperature, rendang can last for weeks. Where exactly is the origin of this rendang cuisine? For the Minang community, rendang has existed since ancient times and has become a traditional cuisine that is always served in various traditional events and used as daily food. Rendang is thought to have been present since the Minang people first held a custom event, and therefore this food was used as a traditional Minang food tradition. Then, this way of cooking rendang developed to other Malay cultural areas such as Riau, Jambi, to the country across from Negeri Sembilan, where many migrants from Minangkabau origin. Therefore, rendang can be widely known both in Sumatra and the Malay Peninsula. In addition to an interesting history, rendang also has a pretty deep philosophy. This typical Padang food as a traditional cuisine has an honor position for community life in Minangkabau. The main ingredient used is beef, which symbolizes meat as Nenek Mama Bundo Kanduang, as a gift or of prosperity in children and nephews. The second ingredient is coconut, which symbolizes intellectual, or in the Minang language called Cadik Pandai, where they will strengthen togetherness in group and individual. The third is sambal, symbolizing as a trick and getting ulama in teaching religion. Then the last ingredient, cooking or seasoning, symbolize each role of each individual, or seasoning symbolize each role of each individual in order to live in group. This is the most important element in the life of the Minang community. Thank you.